Yo, starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a Starbucks. This one is going just under 4 miles. Thank you. Total for that order ended up being $8. Okay, not a bad start. Next order up is a Mr. Maple Donuts. This one is going 5 miles.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $10 and change. Okay, that was actually a good one. Thank you, thank you. And we've got the next order right away. This is a Wendy's going 5 miles.
Welcome to Wendy's. What can I get for you today?
Thank you. Says don't knock or I'll leave a bad review. Okay, buddy. Total for that was $5. You're telling me the guy that threatened a bad rating was a no-tipper? What? Next order up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This one's going 4.5 miles.
Hi, may I help you? It's not ready. It's not ice cream.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Yeah, I think you need to wait in the parking or around again.
Is the lobby open?
Yeah.
So wait in the parking lot or circle back around the drive-thru are my options, according to her. She just now unlocked the lobby. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $7. Finally got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $10 going 4 miles, 4 items.
Scan it now.
Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is going 4 miles. We got BA3.
Yeah, go for it.
Total for that order was $7, and we got the next one right away. This is Victor Rico's going 5 miles. Thank you. Okay, I need to complete this order ASAP because this is torture right now. Oh my god, this smells so good. I'm not even a huge fan of cilantro, but just the smell of it mixed with everything else. Ooh. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. I'm starving now. Actually, now I'm curious. Do any of you have that thing where cilantro tastes like soap or whatever? Total for that order was $14. What the heck? Thank you very much. That was a really good order. And we got the next one. This is Muchas Gracias going just under 3 miles. I've got a feeling this one's going to be a no-tip. Thank you. Ooh, yeah, I called it. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $6. This one is probably not gonna be ready because I got it as soon as I was at the light for it. But this is a McDonald's going 2 miles. Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $7 and change. Okay, I was not expecting them to have a decent tip on that, considering the mileage. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Chef's Store. I don't know where or what this place is, but this one is $9, 3 miles, 3 items. So it's quite literally just a store for chefs. Everything is in bulk. Is this for you?
Hey, yeah. Thank you so much.
No problem. Got it.
Appreciate it.
Have a good day. Just got the next order. This is a Krispy Kreme, so you know it's gonna be high mileage. This one is heading 7 miles. Thank you. What are the odds of that being a no tip? Pretty high, because it was. Total for that was $8 and change. Wowee. Next up, we've got a Hello Waffle cart. This one is going 6 miles. Hello, for Brian. Thank you. Total for that order was $9. Not bad. Just got the next order. We've got a Seize the Bagel going just under 5 miles. Just about to pull up to the restaurant and they're giving me an add-on. This one is going an extra 1.5 miles.
I'll recall the name when it's ready. Thank you. Thank you for your patience. Thank you. Can I get a small number?
Awesome.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Have a good day. Love the hat.
Thank you. That wait was actually insane. That was probably 20 minutes. They were super busy and I guess my orders were just last in line. So, whatever. At least I'm on earn by time, so maybe that's a good thing. Okay, this one needs to be done very quickly because there's nowhere to park, so let's just say I need to be quick about it, you know? Now, what are the odds that my car's still there? Still there, okay. All right, and on that note, I'm gonna call it because I am so hungry. Oh yeah, total for that stack was $20. Current time is 10:28. Total, we are at 119 and some change. I don't know how well you could hear that bumping, but that was from 2 cars behind me. And all of my windows were closed. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I